How to add a PayPal account on Home Depot. Adding your PayPal account on Home Depot allows for convenient and secure payments, so follow these steps to add your PayPal account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Home Depot website. Click on the sign in option at the top right corner of the page and enter your email address and password to log into your Home Depot account. After signing in, hover over your profile icon at the top right corner of the page and select payment methods. Look for an option to add a new payment method. This may be labeled as Add Payment Method or something similar. From the list of available payment methods, select PayPal as your preferred option. Home Depot will redirect you to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal email address and password to sign into your account. After signing in to PayPal, you may be prompted to authorize Home Depot to access your PayPal account for payment processing. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant authorization. Once authorization is granted, Home Depot will confirm the addition of your PayPal account as a payment method. You can easily now add your PayPal account to Home Depot and enjoy seamless and secure payments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.